When you're starting to draw, you want to familiarize yourself with the pencil and learn to control it. 2 easy exercises to do that are the following. Draw a line from corner to corner and just go back and forth, and you might end up creating sort of like a square shape that always gets smaller. This will help you create straight lines and understand the pressure and the speed that you need to apply so that you can get those straight lines. In digital drawing, you can use the smoothing feature, so this helps you get better at it. What I want you to do in this next exercise is to draw a gradient. Go from darkest to lightest and fill your page as many times as you want. This will help you understand the level of pressure you need to put on the pencil to get the desired darkness. This will also be super helpful when you're learning to shade, and do that as many times as you want. So these are practices that you can repeat until you feel super comfortable and that you no longer need them. Remember, creativity is all about the process of creating, and it's independent from your equipment, talent, or even your skill. Drawings can be immensely satisfying and allow you to explore your creative side without a significant financial investment. I hope you liked this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more ideas on creativity and creative projects, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!